Hello humans, Seyeren here, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the products in the April IPSY Glam bag. What? Okay guys, so let's go ahead and dig right in. I'm excited to go over these products with you guys. Starting out, getting their You to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. That's the backs right there. And it comes with vitamin C, squalene, and hyaluronic acid, and it's an overnight mask. But for the purpose of this video, I will try some on my face so you guys can see the consistency. So these are the sample jars that they come with. They're really cute, and the cool thing is they're all made with glass. All You to the People products are made with glass packaging. And the lettering on the outside is vegetable based, so you can actually rub it off and repurpose the jar for something else. This stuff is really thick, it's really heavy, it smells really good. And what I like to do is I like to rub it into my hands and then rub it into my face. It feels really good, it's really hydrating, it smells so good. It almost smells like banana, but maybe that's just because it looks yellow and I'm associating it with that. But it's not super thick. When I first used it, I thought it was a little thicker than what I would like. Usually I don't like super heavy creams just because I don't like the way it feels on my face, like it's weighing down. But this stuff actually feels really good. So it is female and male approved. Let's go on to the next product, which is another moisturizer that I got. I'm gonna do those first, obviously, because, you know, I can put them on my face right now. So this is Murad. I've used Murad before. It's a really good brand. I have some of their sunscreen, and I've used some of their cleanser before that I've also got from IPSY. This is their nutrient charged water gel, which is a moisturizer and hydrator. It is oil free. The gel itself is a really pretty pink color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a really pretty color. So I've been using this cream on my face during the day, and then that You to the People cream on my face at night. Yes, I'm going in with double moisturizer. Kill me. But it feels really good on the face. It absorbs into the face really well. And since I live in Florida, it gets really heated, really humid. When you're wearing makeup outside, sometimes it's really hard for your face to stay with the products on it and not just melting down your face. And I feel like this moisturizer really absorbs well into the skin and works well with my primer, so my makeup stays on my face longer throughout the day. Now the next product is a brush. Actually, I got the description for all of these right here. But this is an Eyece Beauty Grand Blending Brush, and I actually really like this brush. Super soft brush. I really like the way it blends. I'm actually gonna go get eyeshadow right now and show you guys how it blends. I don't know why I didn't grab this before. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of this white, and of course I have my mirror. I need to stop forgetting that I have that. I'm gonna put some white in the inner corner. The girl loves sparkles, what can I say? I'm a sparkly girl. It's more of a tan type color. And I'm just blending into the sparklies. Okay, this looks like a mess. I know, it looks terrible right now, but that's why we have a blendy brush. Blending it all out, buffering it all out, making it look nice, making it shine. Yeah. It's a good size brush too. It fits in the IPSY bag pretty well. But yes, that is a brush that I really like. It's perfect size for on the go. I only need this and then maybe like 1 or 2 definer brushes for the inner corner and like eyeliner, but besides that, this is an all-over really good brush. I like the bristles. They seem not like, they don't seem fake or anything. Going into the next product is the Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in 01 I'll Be Black. And this is definitely my favorite eyeliner I've gotten from IPSY so far. Look at how small that point is. Oh my gosh, it's like crazy tiny point, so it makes doing your eyeliner so much easier. Oof, girls thick, or you can go really thin, like I'll try and do on this one. Whew. Or you could go super thin, so you can definitely do quite a few different looks with this eyeliner, which is really nice. I'm just gonna beef this up. Ooh, drama. I love the drama of it all. Oh no, I didn't let it dry. That's the one thing that I would say with this eyeliner. Let it dry, or you'll end up with a party foul like me. Okay, we're gonna get a makeup wipe and we're gonna be right back. Okay guys, I fixed my face. But yeah, I fixed the eyeliner. I think it looks a little better now. But yes, you can pretty much do anything with this. It's so good. The line is so thin. Anyways, let's move on to the last product. And this is the best product that I got in this bag, in my opinion. I love this product and definitely 100% will repurchase this product. This is the Seyeren Botanicals Berry Plus Juice 100% vegan lip gel in rose currant. This is by far some of the prettiest lip gloss I have ever had in my entire life. I really love the Huda Beauty lip strobe I got from them, but I think this might beat it because of the smell. It smells so good. It is made with shea butter, vitamin E, vitamin A. And the color, okay, just, oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look at that. Oh. It's just like the perfect amount of like a really pretty like coralish pink with gorgeous reflex, like gorgeous shimmer in it. It's so pretty. It could work for like a nice simple natural look and you just want to glam it up a little bit. This would be the perfect way to glam it up. It's just so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, I definitely will buy this again. It is such a good product. It's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, no with vitamin E, with blackberry and raspberry extracts, soft shea butter, soybean, safflower, and sunflower oil, seed oils, and hypoallergenic, which is always amazing. I am very happy with the products I got in this month's IPSY bag. So thank you, IPSY, for sending me some products that I really enjoyed. You guys have actually introduced me to a lot of lines that I would have never known about before. So thank you so much. If you would like to sign up for IPSY yourself, look in the description below. I will have a link that you guys can sign up, but check that out in the description below. Let me know if you guys would like to see another IPSY kind of video where I do like top 10 faves, top 10 flops, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. I love you all so much. Bye. Stay safe.